Hi, hello. This is Rajeshwar. I am a cuber and I am studying in 7th grade. This is my 3 into 3 speed beginner cube. The cube has 6 sides with different colors. In this video, we will see a tutorial to do patterns for the Rubik's cube that you can impress your friends. The two patterns are the chessboard pattern and also the donut pattern. So in the two patterns, the first pattern is the chessboard pattern. So let's start. Hold your cube with the two hands on the left side and the right side. We should make turns to make the patterns. So first with your right hand, do two turns. Right two times, left prime two times, up two times, and down prime two times, and at last front two times and back prime two times. So now we got the chessboard pattern. The chessboard pattern looks awesome and you can impress your friends with the chessboard pattern. We'll see the method to reverse the cube's pattern. So now hold your cube and right two times, left prime two times, up two times, down prime two times, front two times, and back prime two times. So the cube is solved. Then the next pattern is the donut pattern. To do the donut pattern, we should hold the cube and only the middle layer should move. So down to up. So down to up turn and the left to right middle turn, and we should reverse up to down middle and right to left middle. So now we got the donut pattern. Now we will see the method to reverse the donut pattern. Choose a color and keep the color facing up. The center piece of the color which you choose should be facing you. Turn the middle layer up vertically that the center piece will join its place like this. But you'll see that two edge colors will not match like this. So the center piece of the unmatched color will be at the right or at the left. In my case, I found that at the left, so I turned at the left. Now you can see the top two colors are missing. So I am taking the center piece to the left, so it got matched. And also here the red center piece is missing, so I moved and I completed. So this is how we should do patterns. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and also comment the same. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.